And welcome back again. Chris Lambert here with another unboxing video. I got a surprise package. I forgot what it was. So let's open it up and see what I got. Is it exciting or not? It is. Oh, Men in Black badges. I didn't have the chance to get the Men in Black actual badges. It said MIB on them. So I just got these. Maybe we'll print some up on the computer. And now let's see if I can find the other boxes that go with this. I think we've got maybe one here. And this is definitely one. And this one. I forgot to mark out my name. Okay. So let's go with this one. I definitely know what this one is. So I bought some Nerf guns because I couldn't find any real gigantic Men in Black guns. So I got some weird brand name of gigantic tubular guns, and since they were blue and they were like a Nerf gun, I got a couple of cans of Krylon metallic silver plastic paint. You can paint plastic with this. So that's box number one. I want to tip over on this. Let's check out box number two. And somebody wanted to be said they wanted to be Men in Black, so I helped them out to get some items because it was really close to Halloween and we didn't have much time. And I'm used to doing this, so this is the one thing Will Smith character really wanted, which I think it's actually used by the other guy. This is a really fat version of this for some reason, but yes, it's the neuralizer. So this erases your memory. So if you see any aliens or the government doesn't want you to, remember things that you've seen or done, yeah, they flash the neuralizer, and you'll see that in our video also. And one more thing, and I did get a couple of t-shirts that look like suits, and I didn't have time to wait for the long sleeve one, so I got short sleeve, and then they'll just wear a couple of black long sleeve t-shirts under it to make it look like a suit. This was another thing I wanted, and I asked them to ship it quickly, and they've got here on time, so I'm happy. All this stuff was purchased through Amazon. So here we have Will Smith's cricket gun. The gun he thinks is tiny and can't do any damage, but it turns out to be, a pretty good weapon. So then we got the cricket gun, the neuralizer, we got shirts, we got some earpieces I didn't show you. Badges we got to make up, print Men in Black or something on it, and what else did we get? The guns, and I think that's about it. So that's the Men in Black portion of our Halloween costume contest, which I'll show pictures and videos of them. So make sure to tune in and check it out. Chris Lambert signing out. Oh, and also, here are the black t-shirts I bought, the long sleeve black t-shirts, so that it can look like they're wearing a suit, and the fake faux tuxedo shirt or faux suit shirt will go over this. So that is a spray paint in here, shirts, neuralizer. Get in there, the cricket gun, and go. That's a Men in Black costume. Make sure to tune it in and check it out right after Halloween. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I forgot to mention, it's Tommy Lee Jones character that uses the neuralizer in Men in Black. So come back and check out those photos and videos. And one last item, which got delivered to somebody else's mailbox, not mine. And I didn't have the time to run around and knock on people's doors and find out who got it. They obviously didn't bring it back, so I had Amazon rush me the Mexican Yoshi shorts. So, well, I shouldn't take them out of the package. They're just shorts that go over the costume. You'll see the Mexican Yoshi people, the 3 people that play them. Hopefully they'll all be there. And that's it. So, thanks for watching all my unboxing videos. Come back later and check out some more. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my Walmart videos, my wildlife videos, and my food videos, and any other videos I film. Halloween, Christmas, all kinds of things. I like to film stuff, so come back and check it out. Thanks for watching.